Hello, class 12 computer science students. I am Atul Gupta and today I am going to explain concept of list. This is very important concept of Python. Now define a list. A list is a standard data type of Python that can store a sequence of values belonging to any type, that is any data type. The list elements are enclosed within square brackets. Lists are mutable sequence of Python, that is, you can change elements of a list in place. This is the concept of list. Now next one, how to create a list. Now we understand the use of square brackets indicates the start and end of the list and separate the elements or items by commas. Now here some examples are given to show different types of list. First example, list contain 2, 3, 2, 4 and 8. This show list of integers. All the elements of list contains integer values. Now next one example, PQ, XY both are strings. So this list represent list of strings. Now next one, list elements 2.5, 5.7, 8.0. All the elements are float type decimal values, so this list of floating point. Now square brackets and no element present in the bracket, so this type of list is called empty list, blank. Now next one, list is contain elements A, 5, 2.2, CS. So this type of list is called list of mixed values. Now next one example is 1, 2 and next element contain two values, that is another list 3, 4 and 5. So this type of list is called nested list. Now one program is given here to show the concept of list. Program to accept a list of elements from the user and print square of each element of list. So we accept a list of elements from the user and display a square of each element of list. Now the concept is, first we accept a list element from the user. So we use eval function, eval input enter list elements. User gives some elements that is stored in a list name called L. Now first we find length of string, so we use len function, len and list L. So it returns length of elements which is stored in length variable. Now we use for loop for I in range 0, length. Now loop execute from first to last and one element come in the loop body. So first element come, that is assigned in I and print L of I. I is used as index of list elements. So print L of I multiply by L of I. This is the concept of square, element multiply by itself. Then we use single inverted comma to give space and then use and equal to single inverted comma. This is the concept to remain the elements in the same line. And then control transfer to next element. Then this process is continue until the elements are not over. And then program is control is moved to outside the loop and program is end. Now the output of the given list is enter list elements. User enter elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now the display square of each element is 4, 16, 36, 64 and 100. This is the concept of list. Now we run this program on the computer system. This is the program code. Now we run this code. Output window is look like as enter list elements. We insert some elements like 2, 4, 6, 8 and then press enter. Output is given as 4, 16, 36 and 64. This is the concept of list. Now the output window is closed. Then we again run this code and give decimal values. This is the output of the decimal values, square of all decimal values. Thank you.